Because you're a math nerd and an awesome math teacher, I wanted to show you something that Sarah and Joe and I just talked about that she had a hard time with, and I think she's figured it out, and just takes practice and like some conceptual understanding. But I was explaining to her the equation asked us to take 1,500 from 36,136. So instead we could do 36,136 minus 1,500. And I could do 6 minus 0 and 3 minus that and blah, 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 blah. I got to borrow from the thousands. I don't want to do all that. So I told her what I like to do is I know that this number I can take pretty easily from 6,000. And I don't have, I'm not worrying about that, the 30,000. I'm not worrying about the 10,000s place yet. But I know pretty quickly in my head that 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5,000. And then 6,000 minus 5,000 minus 500 more is 4,500. So I've taken away my 1,500 to get 4,500 from 6,000. But I still have 136 here. And she had a really hard time understanding what to do with that when I asked her, like, how do I account for that? How do I account for 1,000, or how do I account for 136? And she was like, oh, you subtract it. You subtract it from here because we were doing a subtraction problem. I'm like, no, we started with this and took away this. And I was just making it easy for myself with the rounding down to 6,000 and taking away numbers that are easier to work with. I can't remember what they're called, whatever they're called. Those anchor numbers or whatever it is. So anyways, so it took her a while to understand that I'm going to add that 136 on at the end, and it's easy for me to do that. Easier for me to add 136 to 500 than take away 1,500 from 6,136. So plus 100 more plus 36. And then I can't forget about what I had over in my 10,000s place. So just interesting little thing of how that was hard for her to understand that I'm just adding that on, that we can break those numbers up and move them around to make them fit whatever's easiest for that person personally.